Alright guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video we're going to be installing some carbon fibre to my Arrma Limitless that Lee kindly sent us. Thank you so much for sending us this carbon fibre. So we'll put a link down below to where you can get the carbon fibre and the rest of his Arrma upgrades from. So make sure you do check it out. So yeah, let's get into this how-to.
First of all, we're going to be taking off these bottom screws, and then we're going to be taking off the screws which are in here, and this is just holding it all together. So we're going to take these screws off to take off the side plate for the wing, to then put the carbon fibre in its place. Okay, so now we're taking off these top screws, and when you're taking out the second screw, you gotta make sure you're holding this, otherwise it's just gonna rotate what's holding it in, and it's not gonna unscrew.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I never will. No.
Okay, so first of all, we're going to be installing the screws at the bottom. This is quite an easy install, so it takes about 5-10 minutes. So
I choke you down just like a pill. Oh yeah. Take you like a pill.
Alright, so now we're just screwing on the wing to the side plates, and you gotta make sure you have the when it screws onto, and make sure you hold it, otherwise it's gonna spin round and it won't screw in tight. So now we've completed this side, we're going to move on to the other side, and we're going to put that in time lapse so you don't have to watch it all again. But yeah, it's pretty much the exact same as what we've done on this side as it is on the other side.
Don't let me sleep, never say sorry. Oh, maybe I'll leave, baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill.
sides to the wing, and it looks pretty cool now. And they're a bit lighter as well, and they're way more rigid and sturdy. It's a really good, easy upgrade to do. It's not that expensive, and the result looks pretty cool, and it looks all sporty and nice and black. So yeah, I would well recommend doing this upgrade. Obviously with it's a bit lighter, you'll go a bit faster as well. So yeah, check out Customise the Upgrades part on this. I'll drop a link in the description. Thank you so much for sending us these parts, we really appreciate it. Yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.
Cheers.
Bye.